P0171 means that the engine air-fuel mixture is too lean, which indicates that the bank one of your car has too much air or not enough fuel. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, MAF sensor. MAF sensors are located between the air filter and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleansed. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Method B, oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensor is located in the exhaust manifold of the car. Remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter. Reinstall a new oxygen sensor from the original equipment company, and put it back on the catalytic converter. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0171 error code.